Guardrails are the rules that keep your app safe, respectful, and useful. But they also do something bigger. They help fight bias. AI systems sometimes reproduce unfair patterns from their training data. These aren't just bugs. They've led to real harm in people's lives. In this milestone, you'll learn how bias can sneak in, test your own prototype, and use bias-busting strategies to set stronger guardrails. AI is trained on massive datasets from the internet. That means it sometimes picks up stereotypes, excludes voices, or says things that feel unfair. Without guardrails, your app might pass along those biases to the people using it. By setting thoughtful guardrails, you control how your app interacts with people, ensuring it's fair, respectful, and on purpose. The PlayLab Build tab includes a default set of guardrails and guidelines. What else might you add to ensure it's fair and respectful? It is important to consider who might be using your app and how they will engage with your app in helpful and safe ways. To reach this milestone, first, you're going to hear about some cases where AI showed bias. This will be informative to your own guardrails and guidelines. Then, you will bring a bias-busting lens to your current background and workflow. Good luck!